The 2025 Honda Civic's infotainment system, powered by Android Automotive OS, sometimes needs a reset to resolve issues like touchscreen freezes or app crashes. To perform a quick reboot, hold the power button on the infotainment screen for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. This clears temporary memory without erasing your data. For a factory reset, which restores the system to its original settings and erases personal data, navigate to Settings, System, Factory Reset, Confirm. Make sure your vehicle is in park with the ignition on before performing a factory reset. It's generally safe, but back up your data beforehand using the Honda Link app. If your 2025 Civic's touchscreen is unresponsive, first try a quick reboot. Hold the power button on the display for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black and restarts. If the problem persists, use the built-in calibration tool by going to Settings, then Display, then Touchscreen Calibration. Follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate the screen. If calibration doesn't work, it could indicate a hardware issue, potentially requiring a professional scan tool like the Honda HDS. Keep in mind that Honda has been rolling out OTA updates to address infotainment issues. Ensure your system is up to date. According to Honda's Q3 2025 report, infotainment-related service calls have dropped by 25% due to these updates. Remember to avoid performing resets while driving, as this can disrupt navigation and other critical functions.